Hi there, welcome to the Life is Green. I'm back here with a new topic. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits and importance of learning pronunciation in English. Yes, because if you want to improve your overall English fluency, you cannot ignore the pronunciation, the learning of correct pronunciation. You should focus on your overall journey including pronunciation. So you should work on your pronunciation because pronunciation is important in learning a language. Any foreign language, you should be aware of the importance of pronunciation. In this case, we are talking here about learning English, so you should also focus on your English pronunciation, because when you improve your English pronunciation, so it can help you in many different ways. There are some bullet points that I am going to share with you. Number one is it boosts your confidence and it unlocks many different doors for you to communicate with other people. They can understand you properly and you can get their point very well. So that's why the first key benefit in learning correct pronunciation is that you understand other people very well and they understand you properly. And there are some many other aspects and benefits in improving your correct pronunciation while learning English is that you should it just works for you because it improves your listening skills as well. Because when you improve pronunciation, it automatically helps you in your listening skill, and your listening skills improve gradually because you have already mastered pronunciation, and now you can listen to any English auditory content, whether it is a podcast, movie, song, news, or any other kind of learning content, audiobooks, and there are many other ways that you can listen any content in English because you have mastered, you have improved your general English pronunciation. Now you can get and understand some of the listening content easily for you, and in this way it boosts your confidence and makes you able, that it enables you to communicate with other people, and it also helps you in your career growth because when you speak clearly, that other people give you priority. They can select you in any category, any job position, so that you can work because you are speaking clearly and you understand other people easily. In that way, you can have that benefit of learning English pronunciation correctly, because that's very crucial, essential learning area of English. Other than, there are many other areas like vocabulary, grammar, listening, speaking, reading, writing. There are some of these skills that you also need to improve in overall your English fluency, but you cannot underestimate the importance of English pronunciation. So you should work on this, and it will help you in many ways, in many aspects, such as when you are able to listen to any English content, so you can also help, it will also help you in your speaking skills, in your reading skills, and overall your English proficiency. I hope this video will be helpful for you in your learning English journey. Talk soon.